بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? Student, this is your chemistry period. Take out chemistry book of grade 10. Students, take out page 21. Unit number 10, acid, bases and salts. In unit number 9, we discuss about chemical equilibrium, chemical reactions, law of mass action. In unit number 10, we discuss about different concepts of acid and bases, Arrhenius acid and bases, Bronsted-Lowry acid and bases, classification of acid and bases, Lewis acid and bases, self-ionization of water, pH and pOH, neutralization reactions. Students, take out page 22, acid, bases and salts. Students, you know how many food items are sold? Citrus fruit, lemon, orange, grapefruits. These fruits are sour in taste. Their sour taste is due to acid. So, acid are those substances which having sour taste. हमारे पास जितने भी सब्सटेंसेस हो जिनका सोर टेस्ट हो वो हम कौन सी क्लास में रखते हैं? एसिड की कैटेगरी में उसको रखा जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, सोर मिल्क हैव लैक्टिक एसिड, एप्पल हैव मैलिक एसिड, आंट्स हैव फॉर्मिक एसिड. ऑन द अदर हैंड, bases are soapy to touch, bitter taste. For example, sodium hydroxide, it is used as a cleaner. Magnesium hydroxide, it is used suspension in water. Aluminium hydroxide, it is used as an antacid which we use against acid. मीन जब एसिडिटी बढ़ जाती है तो उसको ख़त्म करने के लिए वी यूज़ एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. इट इज़ यूज्ड एज अ एंटी एसिड. देन व्हाट आर साल्ट्स? साल्ट्स आर द सब्सटेंस which are formed due to the reaction of acid and bases. When acid and bases combine together, so they form salts. These reactions in which salts are formed, these reactions are called neutralization reaction. Example of salts are sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride. Students, we have different concepts about acid and bases. The first concept is classical concept. Classical concept is acid. Acid is derived from Latin word acidus. It is derived from Latin word acidus, which means sour. So in classical concept, acids are those substances which having sour taste. Acids have sour taste. It turn blue litmus paper to red. You know about litmus paper, which indicate that the given substance is acid or bases. If we dip the litmus paper in acid, so the blue litmus paper is converted into red. It can conduct electric current. It means when we dissolve hydrochloric acid in water in aqueous solution, so it dissociate into hydrogen positive and Cl negative. Look at here, students. The hydrochloric acid is ionized. And you know about ionization कि हमारे पास जब एक चीज़ आयनाइज हो जाती है तो इन आयंस की मदद से इलेक्ट्रिक कंडक्शन पॉसिबल हो जाता है। तो इसलिए हम कहते हैं कि हमारे पास जो जितने भी एसिड हैं उनका जब हम एक्वस सॉल्यूशन बनाएं तो वो उसमें इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्शन पॉसिबल होता है। एसिड डिस्ट्रॉय फैब्रिक्स एंड कॉज बर्न ऑन द स्किन। सो एसिड्स आर वेरी डेंजरस सब्सटेंस. It destroy fabrics and cause burn on the skin. Bases and alkalis. Bases have bitter taste. Bases are soapy to touch. It turn red litmus paper to blue. When electrical current is passed, so in bases, electrical conduction are possible. For example, sodium hydroxide ionize in sodium hydroxide ionize in sodium and hydroxium ion. आप लोग यहाँ पर भी देखें कि हमारे पास जो बेस था वो भी आयनाइज हुआ और इन आयंस की वजह से इसमें इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्शन पॉसिबल होती है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ यू नो अबाउट एसिड एंड बेसिस. व्हाट आर एसिड? एसिड आर सब्सटेंस हैविंग सोर टेस्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल, सोर मिल्क, एप्पल, लेमन, ऑरेंज, ग्रेप्स. These all fruit items are sour. Acid have sour taste. This is a classical concept about acid. Sour milk have lactic acid. Apple have malic acid. Ants have formic acid. While bases are soapy to touch, bases have bitter taste. For example, sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, aluminium hydroxide. While salts are those substances which are formed due to the neutralization reaction of acid and bases. For example, sodium chloride is salt, magnesium chloride is salt, calcium chloride is salt. Acid are derived from Latin word acidus, which mean sour. Acid have sour taste. It turn blue litmus paper into red. It can conduct electric current because when sodium chloride is dissolved in water, so it form ion. It destroy fabrics and cause burn on the skin. Bases have bitter taste, soapy to touch. It turn red litmus paper to blue and it can conduct electric current. Now students, you tell me, milk have which one acid? Lactic acid. Apple have which one acid? Malic acid. Lemon have citric acid. Ant have formic acid. Spinach have oxalic acid. Grape juice have tartaric acid. These all food items have acids. Students, now you tell me example of some bases. What are bases? Bases are the substance having bitter taste, soapy to touch. For example, sodium hydroxide, aluminium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide magnesium hydroxide and aluminium hydroxide. These all are bases. Okay student, आपको आज का टॉपिक एसिड बेसिस एंड साल्ट्स समझ में आ गया होगा। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मुलाकात होगी। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما